good peeps. Today I wanted you to see this delicious looking crock pot recipe that hubby fixed. I know pretty much the recipe he used. He switched it up just a little from the ordinary recipe where he either cooked some on top of the stove or in the oven, which I'm the one who likes to use the oven. So this is just switched up a little bit from his stovetop recipe. But let me tell y'all, I'm looking so bomb. I am so ready to eat them. So yeah, I will give you just a short clip and I'll put the recipe in the description. Love y'all, my good peeps. Look at that, just a little bit too much liquid for the amount of potatoes he had. But y'all, look at that. And I've already tasted them. They are bomb.com. Better than any stovetop recipe he's ever used or any oven recipe I've ever used. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at that. All right, as I said, I'll put in. Crockpot is everything, y'all. Crockpot is everything.
What we go through, love will still